everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing these fire nail stickers. These are so fun, you guys. These are from Aliexpress, from major Dijit store. Now you will get 16 pieces, so just all different colors, and I will start by showing you each color. So this one I already play with, and I want to show you. This is a holographic one. I really love that one. You can see all the rainbows. You guys, this is so pretty. Now this one, I did not stick the sticker on the top. I actually, how do you say it? Encapsulate, I think that's how you say it, on the polygel, and I actually like how it turned out. So here's another one. How pretty those are. So on this video, I will show you how I did this nail. Of course, I already have this ready. So I removed the nails so I can do this review. So here's another one. It looks a lot like the one that I just showed you. I don't know if it's the same. Ooh, this is beautiful. I also have a fake nail prepared with some gel polish, black. And we're going to put one on top of that. I'm pretty sure you can do this on top of regular polish too, because these are super duper thin. You got to be careful because when you actually pull in it, they can rip. Ooh, this is really nice. I might do that one. I think some of them are repeat. I don't know. This is the gold one. Ooh, I think I'm going to do this one over the black. I think this one is going to look really nice. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. This is just too much. Really pretty. So I really wanted to show you guys each color because this is so satisfying to look. Alright, you guys, so this is the last one. So like I said, I'm not gonna be doing a lot of them, just a couple of them. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I did this one right here. Even though it's not like perfect, it's also not bad. Actually, I like it. So I already prepared my nail. I did apply some base coat. I already have a nail ready, dual form that I'm gonna use. Another thing that I'm gonna use, I'm gonna need a brush. I need to get my brush. And this review is mainly about the sticker, so I want you guys to keep that in mind. I'm gonna put some alcohol. I already have some acetone there, and just to clean my brush. I feel like the brush cleans better with the acetone. So I'm gonna use clear because I wanna be able to see the fire, flame, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying some of this clear polygel to my dual form. Now don't apply too much because you're actually gonna do this twice, okay? At least that's how I did it. I'm not saying this is the correct way. This is the way I did mine. And if you know a better way to do this, well, then that's fine too. There's always different ways to do stuff. And I'm trying to smooth everything. And I'm applying polygel to the whole thing just because I want these nails to be super long. So let me just go ahead and I like to push my cuticle just before I actually place the dual form. Okay, so okay. See, I want you guys to see that. So I will use one of these things kind of hold in place my dual form. And I'm gonna go ahead and cure it. Guys, so this is cure. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and let me just go ahead and clean under before I remove. There you go. So before I do anything to this nail, as you guys can see, it's pretty thin, and I already knew it was gonna be super thin because you guys, I'm still not done with this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose my sticker that I'm gonna use for this design, and I think I'm gonna choose this one. Like I said, be very careful because these are super duper thin. Very, very thin. Which is really good because once you place them on your nails, they're not gonna look bulky or anything. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. You gotta take your time. And I'm just gonna I need to get rid of that little piece of sticker. So once you decide where you want your sticker to be, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a piece of that doesn't go there. Maybe it'll look good, I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it alone. So now, I'm just gonna make sure it's flat in there. But before I go on with the next step, I'm gonna file the sides right here. So alright, you guys, so I just wanted to file some of that polygel on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the next step. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some polygel, not a lot, because I want it to be thin. So I'm just gonna grab more. Okay. So now just some alcohol. To kind of spread it evenly again and smooth it out. Let's see. Now, which may look. So whenever I place it on the lamp, I kind of help press down with the tool, with probably with this. So just want to make sure that the gel you just put on the dual form right now, you know, sticks to the other, you know, to the other polygel you already have on. I hope that makes sense. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. So I'm pressing down to make sure it sticks to the other polygel I already have on. So it's completely cured, so now it's time to remove the dual form. The moment of truth. So that's how it looks. It looks really nice. So basically what I'm just gonna go ahead and do now is just file the nail, and then I'll be right back to show you guys. All right guys, so I already went ahead and filed and shaped my nail. So I just want to like, also what I like to do every time I do my nails, I just kind of buff with one of these little blocks, buffing blocks or whatever they're called, just to make sure everything's really smooth before I actually top coat. So now I'm ready to top coat, but before I top coat, I'm gonna go ahead and clean with some alcohol. So if you're wondering what this is just alcohol, and I'm gonna clean under because I want this nail to be like clean, because I'm gonna top coat under also. So that's how it looks. So I'm ready to top coat. I'm just gonna add some top coat under, so it'll look more clear. So that's how it's going to look. Let me just go ahead and cure. I'm gonna cure for 30 seconds. So this is completely cured, and as you guys can see, these fire flames, whatever you want to call them, stickers, look really nice. So definitely I recommend them. Now if you don't want to go through all this trouble, you can just go ahead and place a sticker on your natural nails over your regular. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the sticker on the gel, on the black gel polish. So I told you guys I was gonna use this color, but I decided I don't want to use it. I think I'm gonna use the purple one. I want to see how the purple looks over black. So we're gonna go ahead and trying to see which sticker I want to put on there. Again, just keep in mind you gotta be very careful because these are super duper thin and they will rip. Ooh, I think that's, no, I'm not gonna be able to put that one. That one is super long. I didn't see it was all the way over here. So, okay, this one should be fine. Again, be very careful, because definitely you can rip them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, I think I wanna, I was gonna start from the, placing it over here from the top, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my tool. Just stick it to the nail. And look how pretty that looks. Hope you guys can see all the colors. Oh, I did apply some black polish on top of this. So if you get tired of having this and you want to actually, you know, just do some polish, you can actually put some polish and look how cool you can see the hollow on the bottom. So I just wanted to say that and show you guys that. So here's the one with gel polish, so we're gonna go ahead and use gel polish to top coat. Just make sure your sticker is laying flat on your nail. So we're gonna cure that for 30 seconds. Make sure when you top coat, you apply a thick coat of top coat. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cure that. Now while that's curing, I wanna show you guys. So here I have a regular polish. So we're gonna go ahead and place a sticker on that. And so I think I want to do this pink one. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Such a beautiful color. I hate to waste these stickers. So here is the sticker. We're gonna stick it on the, we can go from the bottom. No, I think I like it this way better. Again, this is regular polish. Now I have not done any with regular polish, so I'm gonna be very careful, just because you never know if top coat is gonna kind of melt your sticker or not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some top coat and leave it alone for now, because you never know. You know how sometimes when you apply top coat to the foils, you can mess up your foils? Well, I just don't know. This can mess up your stickers. So far it's looking pretty good. I don't see any problems. So after that is dry, of course you're going to be able to go back and do another top coat. So yeah, you guys, I really like these. I do recommend these, and these were pretty cheap, and you're gonna get a bunch of them. So I'm sure you can create so many manis with these stickers, and you know, they're all over the internet, and you guys see how it changes colors. So that's really pretty. Again, let me just show you. So it's not perfect, but you know, it's really pretty. I like it. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave all the information for you guys on the description box, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye my lovelies. Bye.